In today's battlefield, communication is survival. But what happens when the enemy jams your radios, spoofs your GPS, and drops your drones from the sky? Meet Resilicom AI Box, the AI-powered communication system that doesn't just survive electronic warfare, it dominates it. The solution. Using artificial intelligence and software-defined radios, Resilicom AI Box creates an adaptive network that thinks and evolves in real time. When the enemy jams one frequency, we instantly find another. When GPS fails, we create our own navigation network. Built for the harshest environments, every component is designed with one goal: never fail when it matters most. From autonomous drone swarms that coordinate in perfect formation to armored vehicles creating mobile mesh networks that keep advancing even when command centers are compromised, to infantry units detecting and neutralizing enemy drones before they strike. Every platform shares intelligence instantly. What one sees, all see. What one learns, all learn. Enhanced with Skhy Threat Awareness Manager integration, the system provides real-time threat detection and classification across all domains. The result is a distributed network that's virtually impossible to defeat. Resilicom AI Box. When failure is not an option,